In this video, I'll show you how to run a search for all patients that have been diagnosed with diabetes, and then to run an additional search for all patients that have been diagnosed with diabetes that have an A1C of greater than 7. So you'll see that I've begun with the panel search already loaded. So we have all patients that are attached to Dr. McCaffrey that have a status of active, and this status has been updated within the last 3 years. So to add to this search, we'll just go to Add Line, and then you go to CPP Problems, and then CPP Problem ICD-9. So then we'll say any item that starts with, and we'll use the code for diabetes, so 250. Press OK. So now I'll add line again, and this time I'll go back to CPP Problems, and we want the description, and we'll say contains, and I'll just type in diabetes. But if you use a different keyword to diagnose your diabetic patient, so you use DM or anything like that, you just type in whatever is most applicable for your practice. Press OK. I'm going to change this and to an or, and then indent the line. So it'll look for all patients that either have the ICD-9 code of 250 or a problem description that contains diabetes. I'll click Perform Search. Search. And you see that we have 4 patients that match this description. So I'll close out that, go back to the search area, find my diabetes search. I'm going to add a line, and this time I'm going to go to Lab Values, click the H, or type H just to jump straight to the hemoglobin A1C area here. And I want the latest value to be greater than 7. Click OK. And you can see that we've indented this area because we want to have, we're okay with having patients that are diagnosed with diabetes either based on the code or based on the name. But all patients in the search we want to have an A1C value of greater than 7. So we'll perform the search. Search. And this time we have 1 patient that fits that criteria that we'd consider to be, in this case, more of a high-risk diabetic patient.